Yogakere ateker. Ekakiror Olepus Lynn Edinance. And today I'll be sharing with you about the ancient medicines that were used by the Itesos. Back then, we did not depend on modern medicines such as Panadol to heal headache or Coatem for things like malaria. So the medicine we used traditionally was found either within our compounds, the homesteads, our gardens, or even the surroundings or forests, just like where I am. So today I'll be focusing on malaria, which seems to be one of the commonest illnesses of late. And back then, we didn't have to take Coatem or run to a pharmacy to buy Coatem, because we would just have to go to a forest and pluck out guava leaves and mango leaves, boil these, and then give the patient the mixture to take, and that was sufficient to heal malaria. So I'm going to take you through the process. Just follow me through. Right now I'm going into the bush to get guava leaves and mango leaves. Come with me. Now we are setting our fire because we need this to be able to boil the leaves. As you can see, our fire has cooled. So now we just need to prepare our leaves to boil. These are the guava leaves, the mango leaves. We have a clean saucepan over here that we're going to use to boil. So we just have to pluck them out. And I'll just pluck out a few, then wash and add into the saucepan. So as you can see, our leaves are now clean. So I'll pour out this water. Right now I'm going to carry my saucepan with clean water and put it on the fire. So I'll add our clean leaves into the saucepan. This is basically to allow them boil for about 30 to 45 minutes so that we can get out the water or juice that we need. So we already sieved out the leaves and we've left this cool for like 10 minutes, and this is what our final product looks like. So once this has cooled, you can serve it in a cup and give it to the patient to drink.